Minna no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 24. Korimasu, give, me. Chorete kimasu, take, someone. Chorete kimasu, bring, someone. Heto okorimasu, escort someone, go with. Shoukai shimasu, introduce. Annai shimasu, show around, show the way. Setsume shimasu, explain. Kohi o irimasu, make coffee. Oji-san, Oji-chan, grandfather, old man. Oba-san, Oba-chan, grandmother, old woman. Junbi shimasu, preparation, prepare. Imi, meaning. Okashi, sweets, snacks. Zenbu, all. Jibunde, by oneself. Hokane, besides. Wagonsha, station wagon. Obento, box lunch. Haha no Hi, Mother's Day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!